Hello everyone and welcome back to ForB's English Lesson video. My name is Richard and today we're going to take a look at a video and I'd like you to guess what's happening. Are you ready? Let's take a look. All right, could you describe what's happening? The answer is he is folding a towel. He is folding a towel. Folding is when you put one part of something over another, like this. All right, so let's practice that together. Please repeat after me. He is folding a towel. He is folding a towel. Great, so now you know how to describe this action. My name is Richard. Remember to please click like, share, and subscribe, and I'll catch you next time.